The news today, voter fraud taken very seriously, and one woman in San Patricio County was found guilty of that offense. Rosita Flores pleaded guilty to unlawful assistance to a voter, a Class A misdemeanor, which happened in Nueces County. Now, Flores was sentenced to probation for 1.5 years, which equals 540 days. Now, she also faces a $1,000 fine and 60 days of community service. She's now ordered to not assist in other elections. Flores is also set to spend 10 days in jail as a condition of her probation to be served on consecutive Saturdays beginning July 7th.
Well,